Good students, today we will study about a important question which is taken from square and square root. Okay students, here the question is given, evaluate under root 0.8 correct up to 2 places of decimals. Okay students, we solve its solution for this. Root 0.8 given. Okay students, here we find the value of root 0.8 by square root by division method. By square root by division method. Square root by division method. Okay students, okay, here make a frame to determine square root. Here write 8 point, after point write 0 in pair. For making pair can write okay then can write here. Okay, can write in this form. If given such types of numbers for square root, then we can write 0.8000 and make its pair form. Can write here 0.3, we can write 0.30. Can write here 0.1, then we can write 0.10. Okay student, needing times we can write this. Okay. On that basis write here this, and here make pair of zeros. After this we use trial and error method. Trial and error method. Here point decimal finish from here and write decimal here. Okay student. Then remains here, this is free from decimal. Here which number is square, that not which number of square which is equal to that value equal to 80 or less than 80, not more than 80. Case first, we check for 80, which number square? Here 8 square 64 and here 9 square 81, which is greater than 91 is not 9 square 81 not suitable for 80 because 81 is greater than 80, therefore it is not suitable. But 8 square 64 is less than 80, therefore it is suitable for this solution of 80. Here 8. And you know that these types of question ask, if this type of question ask correct up to 2 places of decimal, then we determine the value of 3 number after point, 3 digit. After point we determine the value of 3 times after decimal. Here if ask 3 places, then we determine 4 times value after decimal. If ask 4 times places after decimal 4 places, then we write then we determine 5 times value after decimal. Okay, here ask only 2 places, then we determine the value after decimal 3 times. Okay, here in first case we check for 80, then suitable number is found 8 square 64. 10 minus 4 6, here 7 minus 6 is equal to 1. 8 8 16. Make box here and write here 8 and take 00. Write here 00 from here. For this, which numbers square and multiply in this which is not greater than 1600. Case second, we check for 1600. Okay, student? Here which numbers square and multiply in this we get 1600, not more than 1600, less than 1600 or equal to 1600. Okay, we check for 1600. Okay, student, here 7 square, where 16 make box, and here 16 make box. 7 square, 7 square, 7 7 ja 49. Then we get here 1169, and the value of 8 square. This is less than this, and 8 square, then find the value of 1344. After this 16 make box here, 9 square. 9 square we get here 1521. Okay students, after this the value of 1521 and we get here 16 make box here 10 square. 10 square. Then we get here 1700, which is greater than 1600. Then it is not suitable. But this number is suitable and this number is not suitable. Okay then we write here 9. Here we get 1521. Here we get 10 minus 1 9, 9 minus 2 7, and here all are cancelled. And we write here 00 from this. Okay student, after this 9 9 18 and 617 and we get 178. Make box. Okay students. After this 178 we case third we check for number 7900. Here 178 make box here. Which number is square and multiply in this? We get 7900 or less than 7900, not more than 7900. Okay students, here we get right here we get 3 square. 3 3 ja 9, 3 8 ja 24, 3 7 ja 21, 3 7 ja 21, 2 23 and 3 1 ja 3 2 5. Okay student, then we get 5349. After this 178 make box here 4 square. Okay student, then we square of 4 square, then we get here 4 square. We get 7136. Okay student, and 7136 after this 178 make box here 5 square. Then 5 square we get here, we get 25. Okay then 8925 is greater than this, is greater than 7900, which is not suitable for this solution, not suitable for this solution. But 7136 is suitable for this and this is not suitable for this. Okay students, here we write here 3. Here 4. 4. Okay, student. We write from here 7, 1, 3, 6. 10 minus 6, 4. 9 minus 3, 6. And 8 minus 1, 7. Cancel. So near about, we determine the value of after decimal 3 digits. Okay. If ask 2 digits, then we determine 3 digits. If ask 3 digits, then we determine after decimal 4 digits. Okay. Here ask only 2 digits, then we determine here 0.894, 3 digits. Okay, student. After this, these types of questions you can solve on this basis. Okay, students. Next topic or problem I will teach you tomorrow. Okay, student. Thank all of you.